The landscape has changed. Over the last 10 years, the photography industry has evolved. Our clients demand more, and the industry demands more, and our resources are less.
In today's oversaturated market, it's really important for us to stand out and distinguish ourselves as artists. No longer will taking a perfect exposure and reading poses from a book satisfy the needs of today's client.
You have to create a product that surpasses your client's expectations and distinguishes your brand from your competition.
Today's photographer must use unique and innovative ways in order to impress their clients. And the best part about it, it's easier than you think. We're going to be teaching innovative off-camera flash techniques, emotional storytelling, and how to capture moments and taking advantage of your environment.
We're going to be featuring a live shoot with models and art-focused post-production. And later, we're going to be teaching you creative marketing techniques that allow you to connect with your ideal client. Come join me, Michael from Michael Anthony Photography, and Matt from Devende Photography, and learn how we built our brands into a six-figure business in less than 2 years.
We have a limited amount of seats available, so check our availability by clicking the link.